Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change to light theme on your Robinhood app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change to light theme just because you want it to be a bit brighter. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, and if you haven't signed up for Robinhood just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and once you do, you'll get $5 worth of free stock. So first what we're going to do is open up the Robinhood app, and then next click on the hamburger, or next click on the person icon on the bottom right hand corner. Next click on the hamburger icon on the upper left hand corner, and then from here you want to scroll down to where it says settings, notifications, beneficiaries, and account. Click on that. Now once you've done so, click on app appearance, then click on theme dark, and then this is where you're going to be able to change it to a light theme. So click on light, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to light theme on your Robinhood app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.